Ever wondered about the latest Apple products making waves in the tech world? Today we're exploring the sleek Apple Watch SE2 and the innovative AirPods Pro 2. Both of these gadgets are currently available at some of the best prices we've seen yet. From the Apple Watch's fitness tracking capabilities to the AirPods Pro's adaptive audio, we'll be discussing all the features that make these products stand out. Without further ado, let's dive into the world of Apple's latest gadgets. Starting with the Apple Watch SE2, available at the second best price yet. This fantastic piece of tech is currently on offer at Amazon, with the second generation model starting at a mere $199. That's right, folks. You can snag the 40mm GPS model, usually retailing at $249, for a whopping $50 off. This lands it at the second best price we've seen to date, only beaten once before by a mere $20. The larger 44mm GPS style isn't being left out either. It's also on sale today at $229, $50 off its usual $279 price tag, again ranking as the second best price yet. But what are you getting for your money? Well, the Apple Watch SE2 is a more affordable take on Apple's flagship wearables, boasting many of the same features and design elements. Running on Watch OS 9, this smartwatch offers a multitude of tracking abilities from your daily runs, heart rate, and even your sleep patterns. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist, guiding you on your fitness journey. To supplement this, there's also a new onboard compass. Whether you're an adventurer at heart, or just like to know which way is north, this handy feature is sure to please. And let's not forget about the crash detection feature. This potentially life-saving feature monitors for hard falls, and can automatically send an alert to emergency services if you're unresponsive after the fall. The Apple Watch SE2 is also backed by a Retina display, providing crisp and clear visuals whether you're checking the time, reading a text, or tracking your workout. But what about durability? Well, Apple has you covered there too. The SE2 comes with added water resistance, making it perfect for daily wear. Whether you're caught in the rain, taking a shower, or even going for a swim, this watch can handle it all. With all these features packed into one smartwatch, Apple Watch SE2 offers a more affordable take on Apple's flagship wearables. So if you're looking to join the Apple ecosystem, or just want to upgrade your current watch, there's never been a better time. But remember, these deals won't last forever, so head over to Amazon and secure your Apple Watch SE2 today. Now that we've covered the Apple Watch SE2, let's move on to the AirPods Pro 2. These nifty earbuds are not just about the music. They're packed with features that make life easier and more enjoyable. With deals that are hard to resist, you can gift yourself or a loved one this holiday season. The AirPods Pro 2 are now available on Amazon at a discounted price of $200, a significant drop from their usual price tag. Let's delve deeper into what makes the AirPods Pro 2 one of the best earbuds from Apple yet. The AirPods Pro 2, now available at one of the best prices yet. These are Apple's flagship earbuds, and they have been redesigned with several new features and improvements that set them apart from their predecessor. First off, the AirPods Pro 2 have been upgraded with adaptive audio. This feature dynamically adjusts the noise level based on your surroundings. This means that whether you're in a crowded coffee shop or a quiet library, your music or podcast will sound just right. But what if someone starts talking to you? No need to scramble for the pause button. The AirPods Pro 2 have got you covered with their automatic transparency mode. When the earbuds detect you're in conversation, they will automatically turn on this mode, allowing you to hear the person speaking to you without any hassle. Now let's talk about the improvements. The audio playback has been enhanced, providing a more immersive listening experience. The active noise cancellation, or ANC, has also been upgraded, effectively blocking out background noise so you can focus on your audio. But that's not all. The AirPods Pro 2 also come with a new adaptive transparency mode technology. This allows the earbuds to adjust the level of transparency based on your environment, providing you with the optimal balance between your audio and the ambient sound. And yes, the beloved features from the original pair are still present. The AirPods Pro 2 support spatial audio, providing a theater-like surround sound experience. They also have Hey Siri integration, allowing you to control your audio, make calls, and even send messages using your voice. The AirPods Pro 2 also come with a refreshed charging case. The case now supports USB-C, making it more versatile and easier to charge. It also comes with Find My features, so you can easily locate your earbuds if you misplace them. The case even has a built-in speaker and a lanyard loop, adding to its convenience and functionality. Powering all these features and improvements is the latest Apple H2 chip, ensuring that your AirPods Pro 2 work smoothly and efficiently. Now let's talk deals. If you missed out on the Black Friday sale last month, don't fret. These phenomenal earbuds are now available on Amazon for just $200. That's $49 off the usual price, making it one of the best deals yet. It's also within $11 of the all-time low price, which was set just once before. So if you're considering a pair of AirPods Pro 2, now is the perfect time to make your move. With their new features, improvements, and the current deal, they're indeed the best earbuds yet from Apple. With these features and improvements, the AirPods Pro 2 are indeed the best earbuds yet from Apple. So there you have it. The latest Apple Watch SE 2 and AirPods Pro 2. We've taken a deep dive into the exceptional features and remarkable deals on these two Apple products. Let's take a quick recap. The Apple Watch SE 2, starting at just $199, provides an affordable yet feature-packed alternative to the company's flagship wearables. The watch is equipped with the ability to track everything from your runs to your heart rate and sleep patterns. It also comes with a new onboard compass, crash detection, and is backed by a Retina display. All these are housed in a water-resistant build, making it a perfect companion for your daily wear, or even your swims. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2, available for $200, is a steal deal that you wouldn't want to miss. This updated pair of earbuds comes with adaptive audio, which dynamically adjusts noise based on your surroundings. It also has an automatic transparency mode which kicks in when it detects you're in conversation. The earbuds also feature enhanced audio playback, upgraded ANC, and new adaptive transparency mode tech. They also support spatial audio and Hey Siri integration, all packed into a refreshed charging case with USB-C, Find My Features, a built-in speaker, and a lanyard loop. All of these powered by the latest Apple H2 chip. These deals are some of the best we've seen so far, and they offer a great opportunity to get your hands on these high-end Apple products without breaking the bank. But remember, these deals won't last forever. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your Apple accessories or gifting them to a loved one, there's no better time than now. Don't forget to take advantage of these deals while they last. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.